Hi guys, and you guys probably saw was on my shoulder. Welcome back to the scavenger hunt. And get back here, parrot. Get back here, parrot. Get back. Hey, come on. Hey. So the parrot's gonna talk. Hi guys, welcome back to the scavenger hunt. And today we have been doing a lot of work. Yes, we have been, parrot. Okay, so I've been. Oh, I also got 9 obsidian. I put some bookshelves in the enchantment table. Okay, you sit. Sit. Get off. Sit. Thank you. I've also been working on the house. And I made this little path. And I made the... Get out of here. I'm gonna kill you. You're just gonna die. Die! No, you and your herd cannot invade my area. I'll let you live. But you, no. Bad kid. Get out of here. Shoot. Never come back. So, we are on episode 11, and I made this. So, episode 11, finish farm, new details on house, get string. So, I made the board, and I've also been working on the farm. So, kind of been like doing that. And I did move into the house, if you noticed. I put all my stuff in. I'm still working on the kitchen. There's still going to be a lot of stuff. I'm just using that for now. Here is all this. All right, I have smelting iron. And upstairs, I have my bed. This might be our portal room. And I could finally skip. So if there's like a boring part, I could finally. And I found more diamonds down at the mine. And I have been gathering lots and lots of wood. Because you guys probably noticed that I cleared out a lot back there. So that I also cleared out a little bit like on top. I like there. I also like cleared the mountain. Like I pushed it backwards. I tried to make it look natural. So that's what I was able to do. It's not that good. I mean, it looks natural, but like if you guys remember last episode, it was like actually let me see it. Looks pretty good, yeah. Looks nice. I made it like try to look like part of the mountain, not like me clearing out this whole area. So like it's way more open now. So I could like make a path here, then like go down, like make a bridge, clear that. I need to clear that whole island. I can like make a little like what's it called? I don't know. But like we could like clear out this whole area and then we could build a little like vacation area because it's just like a little island and there's a river all around it. Do I sound different? Let me show you the farm. I don't really like the roof though. But I have been growing some potatoes. And yeah, I have lots. Oh, thank God. Now we are good on food. I am like, and today, so let's just look at the board. So what we have to do in order. But should we do... I got string, but we need to go fishing. So let's do that because that's the easiest. Is the string in here? I think it is. Oh. Okay. String. Where did the string go? Nope. No. Oh, and it turns out there was this whole area behind the mesa biome that we didn't explore. And I want to go explore that, like, after episode 13 because we have all that stuff to do. Maybe it's up here? Oh, and the ore chest I've been mining. Well, not much. Because I used most of it because I don't want to waste the diamonds for another diamond pickaxe. Let's put that back. And where is this? Oh, there it is. Okay, let's go fishing. No, like this, Yeah. Yeah. And when I go and if you guys probably noticed I got a bow because I went to the village and I killed lots of spiders. Oh right, that reminds me, we need to take it off of peaceful. Peaceful. I killed lots of spiders, and so I was able to get the string. But you know what's weird? I tried it out on easy, and the weird part is more mobs spawn than there was on hard. It's on easy when I want. Right? Come on, get over there. Come on, catch the salmon. It's right under you. It is right under you. Come on. Oh, what did I get? Oh, and I also wanted to do. It's like an advancement of the day. So every episode, you have to get an advancement. I also might make a comment wall. Who knows? I want to make that later on in the series though. Or subscriber wall. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get me. Thank you. Where are all the fish? I want something good. Give me something good to kill. Yeah. Come on. It's Halloween. Well, it's not Halloween. Just give me something good to kill things. Like a bow or something. Or a saddle. Yeah, saddle. Definitely a saddle. No, I think it's in Windows 10 where it gives you all the good stuff. I'm not sure. Is it? Wait, let's just do one more to make sure. Oh, the bat's touching the water. Come on. I like that in Java Edition the details are way better. What's with my English? Yeah, but I think it only gives you fish. I'm not sure. Is it or is it? Oh no! Since there's luck of the sea, that means you should get random stuff. Yeah, let's test it. Let's see. One more. If this doesn't give us anything good, then I'll just fish in between episodes and see what I can find. If you guys want me to, I will make a Windows 10 series. I have Windows 10, so where are all the fishes? If you guys want, do you guys want me to start a Windows 10 series? Comment down if you guys want me to do a series. A Windows 10 series. Yeah. Dun. Oh, so you do get random stuff. Oh, how did I put it back? Okay, let's just do this one and then we'll go and do the other stuff. We're already 8 minutes in. Oh my god. No! Where is it? Where are you? Where are you? Where'd that fish go? Darn. Thank you. Okay. Oh, is it turning night? Yeah, let's go to bed. And I want to clear out the whole jungle so then I have a good space to build because right here it's all squished in that little thing. I don't know why I built so close right when you open the door there's another door right in front of you to go in this house. No. My bed is down here. Ugh. You know what we should do? We should put balloons right there going up like that. Yeah. So imagine them here. So they're 3 and 2. This is a balloon, and then they're going up like that. Yeah, that would be good. So now what? So we did this, and we did this. Now we need to do. Let's just clear this whole area out. String. So thank God we get random stuff. Alright, I also got some seagrass so you can beat turtles and get cute. So we want to finish the farm, right? So let me just get some. Like that. Yeah, that's good. Let me just get some jungle wood. I really like the house. So let's actually take this iron over here. Thank you. I need to go mining. Oh, and I also made this new thing for mining. Like, I honestly can find way more stuff. Like, when I'm mining at bedrock level. So, like, when I'm mining when I was mining at bedrock level, like, I mined a couple blocks in and I already found diamonds, but I did not mine them. The ones here, those are ones that I already had. So, me. So, where'd all this stuff go? Right there. So, I want some of the jungle wood and some dirt, and we will be good to go. Go to good. Are you gonna flood? Yeah, he won't flood. Okay. We should make like an aquarium and then there's like a scene where it floods. Jump. Okay. Oh no. Alright, that reminds me. I need to put ladders right there. Ugh. So much stuff to do in so little time. I mean, we're already 10 minutes in. I don't think you'll be able to do that stuff. I might have to do that stuff off camera if I can't finish it in this episode. Die. And die. Okay, so let's. Oh, how am I gonna do this? So yeah, this is gonna be hard. I will skip until I have figured out how to skip. So I will skip until I'm finished like with this side, and then I will see you guys there. Okay, I am back. It has been 4 hours from the last clip you saw, and as you can see, I took out that little higher area and I like lowered it down. But the reason why these are not like hoed is because when I used the hoe to take some of the potatoes out, it took the whole area out and it would not let me plant. That's a glitch, and so is that. So I did finish it though. I planted that. Let's actually check on it. Is it growing? No. So yeah, so I think there's a glitch, but now we finished the farm. We need to do the details on the house. We got string. We went fishing. So yeah, now we need this stone hoe is evil because like it made that glitch. When I destroyed one, it destroyed all, and it wouldn't let me plant. So let's just get like a full. Get up. Not to get up. Put all that. Okay. And that honestly looked like it didn't use a lot of wood, but it did use a lot of wood. And now we're like down one more stack just for details, like the house. I mean, what more? But what I don't like is my building, is because I build like right next to each other. That's like 3 blocks off. How am I gonna build the details? So that's what I don't like about my building, is because I always build like 2 blocks away from where I want to build. So annoying. So annoying. Next, I'm going to build like all the way over there. Space it out. Okay. So let's take like half. Okay, that gave me a lot. Okay, so what we want to do. Let's make some sticks. Alright. So there. Like that. Okay. Now let's make fences. There. And take this wood. Oh, come on! Oh my god. I'm so dumb. I just made 15 jungle fence gates. I'm so mad at myself. That's just a waste of a stack now. Or a half of a stack. How annoying. That's so annoying. No, I still have a stack? Okay. 13. 33. Okay, let's split this. that, and fences. Okay. Wait. Can make one more. Like that. And you want to make some slabs. And then stairs. So let's get the slabs. Now this will need a lot of slabs because the other side I did slabs. And then there. Okay, so now all we need is stairs. So this is gonna, honestly, I'm like just wasting a stack. But at least we'll have some extra stairs. How much stairs is that? Oh, that's only 62. Okay, that's still good. I won't complain. Okay, let's take that. Okay, so what we want to do, so like place block here, like that, and then make 2 go out this way, and then just make it 2. Oh, that's gonna be a problem. I guess I'll just do this then. Oh, wait, no, I need to take that out. Of course I do. Put that there. Wait, no. Oh, wait. Alright, so if I place the block there, and then, yeah. Okay, now I need to make one up there. So let's get the dirt. Where are you there? Okay, we'll just use stone. Stone. See? It's like, see how close I am? It's only like 2 blocks. See? Like, it's only 2 blocks. Why do I always build like that? Let's see. This side. Oh, 1, 2, 3, yeah. Wait, did I make that stairs? Yeah, I made that stairs. Okay, let's make like a little stair thing. Okay. So, I did this 1, 2. That. No, that's good. 1, 2, 3. No. No. Okay. There. Oh. That. Take that out. And put that in. Yeah. Now let's just put the fences. Like that. Let's put. Yeah. Okay. So now we just put them at the bottom. Yeah. Let's see how that looks. I have to move this out of the way. So much stuff to do and so little time. If you guys are wondering what I'm using for editing, I'm just using YouTube editing and pictures editing. Well, now I am. Yeah. Well, now I'm using. Okay. Yeah, looks okay. I don't feel like it. Oh, that is not good. I don't feel like it fits in. Now, this just doesn't feel right. I think we should have to. Because then. Yeah. Okay, let's just keep it like that for now. One more fence. One more slab. And 3 more fences. Okay, this area is going to be a little tricky because it's like, I guess we're going to just have to keep it like that. Yeah, that looks nice. It fits in there, unlike the other side. The other side doesn't fit in. Okay, now the final side. Oh, this side seems so plain. It's like all different types of windows. That's what I don't know why I made it like this. It's my fault. So let's put a slab here. Destroy you. Okay. 2, 3. Oh, right, it's during night. Okay. Let's sleep, and and then we'll just finish the thing, and I'll show you the mining that I've been doing. We might do a little bit of mining. I don't know. Why not? Come on. Okay. So, we want to do like as the same style on every side. So, let's get this. Alright, yeah. Do I have any more? Yep, I do. Oh, this is gonna be hard. It's gonna be like one of those. I have no dirt, seriously. No dirt at all. Let me show you the diamonds that I found after we finished doing the details. I know, let's not take that out. Wait, where did dirt go? Oh, there it was. Let's just make like a little dirt mining area. Like that. Yeah. So now we have 24 dirt. Take a little hole. So, okay. You get out of the way. I might take this down. Oh no, but it looks nice like in the path. I don't know. Okay. So, I know. Need to go down one. Of course I do. Okay, now let's take that. And that. No, and that. Okay. Stop. Okay. Oh my god, this thing is annoying. I was like, still taking it. Does it still do it? Okay, no. So let's. Oh, no, might actually, yeah. Is that where we're gonna put it? Yep. Okay. 1, 2. There. Oh, this part is gonna be hard. Okay. No. Take that out. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take that. And that. Okay. So now let's just. Alright, yeah, we can't place fences there. So we'll just. Ooh, this is gonna be a hard thing to do. Okay. Stairs. Yep. Okay. 1, 3. Nope. Oh, that's such an annoying. Like, I don't know if it's my mouse or Minecraft, but whenever I place it, it does that. It's so annoying. It's like thinking of annoying, but like a whole new level. And put a stair here. Oh, wait. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Another slab. There. Okay. Take that out. Put that in. Okay, yeah, we should just need to put this down. Then let's like put some bone meal around to make it like seem more lively. Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll just keep it like that. Let's see what it looks like from inside. We could deal with that. Not that good. Not the best. But it'll work. Is the balcony still good? Ah. That's gonna ruin the feel. I'll play around some. Is my thing running out of charge? Wait 1 second. There, yeah, it was running out of charge. Okay, now we have done everything. So, now let me just quickly show you guys the mine. Okay. So, I have been doing lots and lots of work. Wait, I need my food. Nom, 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 nom. Okay, now let me... I decided to dig at bedrock because on different worlds I used to just go on game mode 3 and then just look under everything and see all the diamonds that were at bedrock level. There were so many diamonds that were at bedrock level. So I did this, yeah, and there were diamonds, and then this whole area, I might just dig like this. Oh, and also guys, found a mine shaft. Yeah, so I was right here, I heard the lava, and it was actually the cave that we found up above here, where we we went mining. I think it was, I don't know, I'm not sure which one it was, but we went mining here, and then we found it. I don't know how it's the one from over there, but we found a mine shaft. So let me show you. Yeah, this is where I dug it up. Okay. So let's just turn it on peaceful because it's getting to because it's technically the end of the episode. Yeah. And I don't know which part this is. Wait, where is this? Which one is this? Is this a cave or something? Wait. Oh, I know this. So this is where it was. Oh. Yeah, and then I just looked up here. I looked around, see what to see what there was. I came across this, and then I kept going forward and forward like that, and then yeah, I saw the string in the mine shaft, and I got I'm like, hallelujah. Wait, what? That's odd. Okay. Well, okay, we need to explore that area. I really want to find a mob spawner because we need XP because we're gonna be enchanting, and yeah, we really do need XP because I've been needing XP for a long time. Did you see how fast I could put that? Well, I will see you guys next episode. Bye.